Most people think Bitcoin and Ethereum are basically the same thing. They are not. It's like comparing a dollar bill to your entire computer. One is digital money, the other is trying to rebuild the internet. And if you don't know which is which, you're about to get schooled. Every time you send money or use an app, someone's taking a cut. Banks charge fees, apps own your data, and you just have to trust they won't screw you over. Bitcoin says, what if money didn't need banks? Ethereum says, what if apps didn't need companies to control them? Same problem, totally different solutions. Bitcoin is a ledger. Every transaction gets written down and copied to thousands of computers. Can't fake it, can't delete it. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin. That's it. It's coded into the system, makes it scarce like gold, but digital. Ethereum also tracks money. Sorbako tabes, it's serido finance, cost cloud se, and it the call to back while leaders here. But here's the kicker, it runs programs. These smart contracts execute automatically when conditions are met. Think vending machine, but instead of snacks, it can handle loans, insurance, games, whatever you program it to do. Man, aim to do your bandasu. Bitcoin, digital cash, Ethereum, programmable money, plus everything else. Send $50,000 to Japan right now. Takes 10 minutes, costs $5. Try that with your bank. Borrow money without a credit check. Buy art that pays the artist forever. Play games where you actually own your stuff. This stuff already exists. People are using it today. Bitcoin wants to be the internet's money. Ethereum wants to be the internet, period. We're maybe 5% of the way there on both. Bitcoin, digital gold, Ethereum, digital everything else. Got it? Which one wins? Subscribe and I'll tell you why that's the wrong question. Drop a comment, Bitcoin or Ethereum, and I'll see you next week.